I quite enjoyed the learning to light fires.
I've had a cracking day. The fire starting was sublime. The knife skills, learnt a lot, and even the basher building. It was very informative.
Yeah, so I really enjoyed the fire starting and the knife skills on the sticks, which came out with this. It's pretty nice. And then using it after on the basher building. It's pretty cool.
Basher building was excellent.
These are life skills that I'm going to keep for the rest of my life. Like if I ever need to build a fire if I'm ever camping, I know exactly what I'll do. This is everything that you actually need to survive.
You're going to be using some of these skills when we're in the field on Tuesday in our 36-hour exercise. We'll be sleeping out overnight. So some of these might prove to be pretty useful.
Butterfly sticks over here, that was brilliant.
Yeah, whistling was good fun.
The M plan, you have medical, protection, location, acquisition and navigation.
Doing a primal adventure was completely awesome, and I can't wait to book an adventure.
Sweet. Thank you from the CCF. Good luck primal. It's been great doing stuff with you.
Well, as soon as the A-level grades come back, it's straight into the military.